If you see water leaking under the water tank on your Siemens EQ.300, try this simple fix first. Remove the water tank. Wipe the place where the tank sits with a clean tissue or cloth. Check that there is no dirt, coffee dust or water drops. Now put the tank back firmly. Press it down until it sits correctly. In most cases, this simple step stops the leak. So, before you think the machine is broken, remove the tank, clean the socket and insert the tank again properly. After 1 hour, it is completely dry, no water at all.